Hi guys, today we're going to discuss Mathematics Progression Test Past Paper 2022. This is for Stage 4 Paper 2. It will be in quiz form, question and answer will be given time interval before each answer is revealed. At the end screen of this video, we will display the question in a full page from number 1 till the end. So you may take a screenshot and pause this video for a while and save it in your computer, print it out if you like to do so, and use it for practice. And after that, we will display the full page of question with answer given, the solved question. So may you use it as the reference. Now let's get started with the quiz. Here we go. Question number 1. What does the digit 3 represent in the number 13645? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So let's reveal the answer. It's 3000 or 3000. If you get it correct, you score 1 mark. Congrats. Next, we'll go to question number 2. So question number 2, here's a frequency table. It shows the number of pets owned by children in class 4. This is number of pets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the tally. And the frequency from the tally. Next, complete the dot plot using the frequency table. Dot plot showing the number of pets. So here is the dot plot. Number of pets 2. In here is 7, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and number of pets 4 is 1, so there's only one button. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So here's the answer. Number of pets 1 is 3 button. Number of pets 3 is 4, so 4 button. Next number. Here are 5 numbers. Yuri rounds each number to the nearest 10,000. Draw a ring around each number that he rounds to 240,000.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
If you have not finished, you may pause this video. Now let's see the answer. It will be 241,950 and 235,010. It will be round off to 240,000. The reason is we see the digit after 4 is 1, so we cancel the rest of the number. It becomes 240,000, and for this one, the digit after 3 is 5. When it's 5 or more, we have to round off this, add 1 to the last digit, so it becomes 240,000. So the reason for this one we reject is because 7 is more than 5, so it should round off to 250,000. The same apply to here. 9 is more than 5, so this number will be round off to 250,000. And for this one, it's also 5 when it's 5 or more, so when we want to round this off, we have to add 1 to the last digit, that is 4, so it should be 250,000. So that is the reason we have these two answers. Next, question number 4. Draw a line from each statement to the correct likelihood. Statement: I'm older than I was 12 months ago. I'll travel to the sun and back today. Likelihood: is it impossible, maybe, likely, or certain?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's see the answer. So I'm older than I was 12 months ago is certain. Certainly, I'm older than I 12 months ago. I'll travel to the sun and back today. It is something that is impossible. Next, question number 5. Here are 6-digit cards, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 9, 0. Complete the boxes using the digit cards. Use each digit card once. It's a multiple of 2. It's a multiple of 5 and it's a multiple of 10. We have to fill in these boxes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's see the answer. So this is just an example of a correct answer. Multiple of 2 means the last digit should be even number. So we choose a 6 in here, the even number 6. And multiple of 5, it means the last digit should be 5 or 0. And multiple of 10, it means the last digit should be 0. So if this is 0, and we have to fill 5 in here to make a multiple of 5. And then for 2, we have to find an even number. The only even number left is 6. So this 650 has to be filled correctly here. Now the first number, we can choose any of 3, 7, and 9. It will be correct. So this is 3, 36, 75, 90. You can put 3 in other, like 35, and this swap in here is fine. The first digit is okay, but the last digit has to be 650. So we hope it's clear. Next, let's move on to question 6. But however, if you have a doubt in this question, you may write in the comment section in Susan here YouTube channel. We'll reply to you to clarify your doubts. So because we are there to help you understand more of math. Next, question 6. Samira cuts and unfolds 3 packages to make flat shapes. Here are her flat shapes. Cuboid, something blank, something blank. Write the correct name for the 3D shape of each packet. 1 has been done for you.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's review the answer. So this is a cylinder and this is a cone. Do you get this correct? If you are correct, then you score another 1 point. Congratulations. Next, question 7. Here is a polygon drawn on a grid of squares. 3 angles are labeled A, B, C. Question. Complete each sentence using A, B, or C. Angle something is an acute angle. Angle blank is a right angle, and angle blank is an obtuse angle.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's see the answer. So we have angle B is an acute angle because it's less than 90. Angle A is a right angle as it is the angle of 90 degree. Angle C is an obtuse angle as we can see that it is more than 90 degree. Next, question 8. Here are some mathematical symbols: equals, greater than, or less than. Write a symbol in each box to make the statement correct.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
You may pause this video if you have not finished. Let's see the answer. So 5/8 is smaller than 3/4. The reason is when we make the denominator the same, or we equalize the denominator, we times this by 2 and 3 times 2, so we get 6/8. And when we compare, 5 is less than 6, so it is less than. Next, 6/10 is equals to 12/20. The reason is when we divide this fraction, divide by 2, 12 divided by 2 is 6, 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now we have the same denominator and the same nominator, so this is an equal fraction. Let's move on. Question 9. Here is part of a fraction wall. 1, A, and B. Write a fraction that 1A represents and write a fraction that 1B represents.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's reveal the answer. So A is 1 over 6 because 1 whole is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6A, and 1 whole is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 1 over 8. Next, question 10. Here's the path Hassan follows. Start, finish, complete the table for his path. Number of squares 2, direction of arrow, and 5, direction of arrow south, 3, blank, and 1 blank.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So have you got your answer with you? Let's see if it is correct. 5 direction is this way, it is southwest. And 3 is west. 3 is west, to the left is west. And 1 is going slanting this way, so it's northwest. Let's move on. 11. Draw the reflection of the shape in the mirror line. Use a ruler. So for this, you can pause this video, draw, or you will have it print out later after you take a screenshot at the end screen and print it out. You may do so. So it's 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's see the correct answer. So this is this shape. So reflection is means it has reflected, and the shape is the same, only reflected by the mirror line. Next, if you have any question about this reflection, you may write in the comment section. We'll reply to you in another video to explain further about reflection. Next, question 12. Draw a line to match each calculation to the correct remainder. 1 has been done for you. 36 divided by 5, remainder 1. 36 divided by 6, 36 divided by 7, 36 divided by 8. Okay. And B, write an even number that gives a remainder of 5 when divided by 9.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
If we have not finished, we may pause this video. So for the answer for 12A, this is the given answer. 36 divided by 6 will be remainder 0 because it's equal to 6. And then 36 divided by 7, it will be remainder of 1. Remainder of 1. And because 36 divided by 7 is 5. And 7 times 5, 35. Then 36 is 1 more than 35. So it remains 1. Now 36 divided by 8. The closest answer is 8 times 4. X times 4 is 32. Now 36. And to go to 32, difference by 4. So the remainder is 4. Next, for this one, we get the answer of 32. An even number that give a remainder of 5 when divided by 9. So 32, we divide by 9, it will be equals to 3. The nearest 9 times 3 is 27. When we subtract, we get 5. So that's how we get the remainder of 5. We hope it's clear. Let's move on to question 13. Draw a line to join the equivalent times. Time in minutes, 100 minutes, 210 minutes. Time in hours and minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour, 40 minutes, 2 hour, 10 minutes, 2 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hour, 30, 3 hour, 30 minutes. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's reveal the answer. So 100 minutes goes to here, 1 hour 40 minutes. 60 plus 40 is 100, and 210 minutes goes to here as 3 hour 30 minutes. 3 hours is 3 times 60 because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So it is 180 plus 30 is 210. So that's how we got the answer. Next question. 14. 7 children shares 1 bar of chocolate. Complete the number statement to show the fraction of the chocolate bar each child gets. So
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
let's see the answer. So 1 bar of chocolate divided by 7 is 1 divided by 7 is equals to 1 over 7. Let's move on. Question 15. Here's part of a bus timetable. Bus station with the stop here and bus timetable. Savia leaves home at 1:30 p.m. to walk to Conventry bus station. Her walk takes 10 minutes. She takes the next bus to Luton. Write the time Savia arrives in Luton.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, let's see the answer. So 1:30 plus 10 minutes is 1:40 p.m. So to Conventry, 1:40 is, this is before 1:40. So Sylvia must take this bus from Conventry and she takes the next bus to Luton. So what time Sylvia arrives in Luton? So from Conventry it goes to Northampton and then Luton. 1940. So Sylvia arrives in Luton 1940. Next number. So Sylvia must be arriving 1940. Next. Question 16. Here's an irregular polygon drawn on a grid of centimeter squares. Estimate the area of the polygon. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So if we have not finished, we may pause this video. Now let's see the answer. So we got 37 cm square. Here's the explanation. So portion of square covered, we see that the full square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So we put 29 here, the full square. Now the half cover square we cannot find in these questions. Now the more than half cover square means more than half cover square is here 31, 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. So we see that the square that is covered more than half is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and if we count on, it will be 37. So 8, the more than half cover square is counted as 1, while the half cover is counted as half. Then less than half covered, if we see is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the value is 0 because less than half. So that is the rule. Full cover is 1, half cover is half, more than half is counted as 1, and less than half is counted as 0. So when we count this, it's 29. 29 plus times 1 is 29. 8 times 1 is 8, and we add up to 37. So if you have any question, please feel free to write in the comment section in Susan Hira YouTube channel. Next number. Question 17. Rectangle represent the price of a model car. Star represent the price of a battery. One rectangle and two stars make up $12. The model car costs more than the battery. So each price is a whole number. Write all the possible prices of the model car.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
If you have not finished, you may pause this video. So now let's see the answer. It should be a whole number, and the car is more than the battery. So if we put 1 and 1 is the smallest whole number, and we have to put 10 for the car. So 1, 1, and 10. If we put 2 for the battery, so it should be 8 for the car, and we put 3 for the battery, it should be 6 for the cars. And if we put 4, it's not possible, as 4 plus 4 and plus 4 will be 12. The rule is the car costs more than battery. So these are the 1, 2, 3 possibility. So all the possible prices of the model car will be 10 or 8 or 6. Let's move on. Question 18. Here is a pattern made with dots. The pattern continues in the same way. Stage 1, shape 2, shape 3, and shape 4. Write down the number of dots in shape 8.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So what do you think is the answer? So for stage 1, shape 1 is 1, shape 2 is 4, shape 3 is 9, shape 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4 is 16. It means for shape 8 is 8 times 8. So 8 squared is 64. So this is the explanation. 1 squared, 2 squared. Shape 3 is 3 squared. Shape 4 is 4 squared. So shape 8 is 8 squared. Next. Question 19. Draw a line to join each time to the correct clock. One has been done for you. 3:30 in the afternoon is 3:30 p.m. What about this one, and this one?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So the answer is this is 7:50 a.m. This one is 23:05, and this is 7:45 in the evening. It means 19:45. That will be the correct answer. Next. Question 20. Some shapes tessellate. Circle, do not tessellate. Explain how you know.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So the answer is a tessellation cannot have any overlapping end gaps, and circle has gaps between them. Next. Question 21. Mike, Chan, and Oliver make shapes with squares. They each follow their own rule. Here's a table showing their first 3 shapes. They each continue with their patterns. And Mike says we'll all use exactly 40 squares to make one of the shapes in our pattern. Explain why Mike is wrong.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So if we see, Mike pattern is 5, 10, 15. Chan is 2, 4, 6, while Oliver is 1, 3, 5. Why Mike is wrong? Because Oliver's pattern is a list of odd numbers. So, and 40 is not an odd numbers. So that will be the answer. Next. Question 22. 2. Here's a shape made from identical hexagons. Shade 1/5 of this shape.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So first we have to count the total. And the total is one vertical line is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20. 1/5 of 20 is 1/5 times 20 is equal to 4. So we have to shade 4. That is the reason. Next. Question 23. A farmer grows oranges. The oranges are placed in boxes. Each box contains 144 oranges. Calculate the number of oranges in 7 boxes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So the answer is 1008. The reason is 7 times 144. If we count here, 82, 28 plus 2, 03. So 1008 oranges. Next. Question 24. Ahmad draws a Venn diagram. Pierre says, Ahmed, you have made a mistake. Question A. Write an explanation showing Ahmed how to improve his Venn diagram.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So if you have not finished, you may pause this video. The answer is 10 is both 2 times table and 5 times table and should be put only in the intersection, not separately in each circle like here. And question B, Ahmed adds more numbers to his Venn diagram. Describe all the numbers he writes in the intersection. So the intersection, 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So let's see the answer. All numbers in the 10 times table. Since this is 2 times table, this is 5 times table. The intersection will be multiple of 2 and 5, that is 10. So it will be all numbers in 10 times table. Next. Question 25. Gabriel, Naomi, Mia, Eva, and Anastasia make their own spinners. They can only write a 1, 2, or 3 in each section. It is the spinner Gabriel makes. Naomi says, I have a good chance of getting an even number. Mia says, I have a better chance of getting an even number than Naomi. Eva says that it is impossible for me to get an even number, while Anastasia says I have an even chance of getting an odd number. Complete each spinner. Here, Naomi, Mia, Eva, Anastasia. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Well, you may pause this video if you have not finished yet. Now, let's reveal the answer. So, Naomi says I have a good chance of getting an even number. It means more than 50% chance. So, we put, this is just an example, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4 times and 1, 3. So, even number is 2, a good chance. For Mia, Mia says I have a better chance of getting even number than Naomi. In this number 2 is more, and here if we put 4, then we'll put here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in first Naomi we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 in 4 places, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total places is 6. So a good chance, it means it has to be more than 50%. So it has to be more than 3 places. So that's the reason in Naomi we put 2 in 4 places, and for Mia, because a better chance, we put 2 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. For Eva, it is impossible for me to get an even number, so it means Eva's spinner doesn't have even numbers, so it's 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. For Anastasia, I have an even chance, I mean 50% of getting odd numbers, so odd number must be in 3 places. So 131, and the rest should be filled with even number. That is the reason. Next, if you have any question, please feel free to write in the comment section. Soon here YouTube channel will explain to you further with another video. Next, question 26. Here's a part of sequence 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. The sequence continues in the same way. Lily uses 3-digit cards to make numbers with 3 digits, 3, 8, and 9. Write all the numbers Lily makes that are in the sequence.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
If you have not finished, you may pause this video. So we see the explanation. So a sequence is 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. So it's added by 5. So we have the pattern is 5 and minus 2, because when n is 1, 5 times 1 is 5. To get 3, we have to minus by 2. So this is the rule for our pattern. N is the number of term. Now, the sequence continues in the same way. So we have 3-digit card 3, 8, 9. So if we use this formula, 5n minus 2 equals to 389. The first possibility, 389. So we have to get the value of n. It means we cancel the 2. So we add 2 to both sides. So this will be plus 2, 391. Now, 5n equals to 391. 5n means it has to be multiple of 5 at the end. The value of 5n. So, because 391 is not divisible by 5, it means 389 will not be in the sequence. Next possibility is 398. So what we have to see is the number that we combine, is it divisible by 5 after we add by 2. So this number we add by 2, we will check if the answer is divisible by 5. When it's divisible by 5, it means the answer is in the sequence, is part of the sequence. So 389 is not in sequence since it is not divisible by 5 after we add 2. Now let's try 398. Plus 2 will be 400. 400 is divisible by 5. So 398 is part of the sequence. Put that as the answer. Next possibility is 8. On the first digit, 839. Plus 2 is 841. And it is not divisible by 5. Now we combine into 893. Now 893 plus 2 is 895. The ending is 5. It means it is divisible by 5. So that will be our answer, 893. Next is we put 9 in the first digit. So 938. 938 plus 2 is 940. 40 is divisible by 5. How do we know? We check from the last digit. A number that is divisible by 5 should end with 0 or 5. So 940 is divisible by 5. It means 938 is part of the sequence, 938. Next, the last possible combination is 983. 983 plus 2 is 985. It ends with 5, so it must be divisible by 5. So 983 is part of the sequence. So these are all the numbers Lily makes that are in the sequence with this 3-digit. If you have any question, please write in the comment section. We'll explain to you further. Next. That is the end of our quiz. The last question. Please subscribe and like to help us produce more videos like this, because this is a free channel. Subscription is free, and like and share will help us motivate us to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for doing the quiz online with us, and we hope to see you in the next video. So today we've discussed mathematics progression test paper 2 from past paper 2022. It's question with answer for stage 4, and this is conducted by Studies with Tuition Online. We gather for all the subject and program. Please email us if you have any unsolved past paper. We'll see what we can do for you, and or if you are interested to join with our online teaching with a better price. Bye bye and God bless you. See you in the next video. We hope today's discussion will be helpful to you. Bye and stay tuned in Susan Hira YouTube channel. You'll be updated with new videos from grade 3 to grade 12, all from the recent most updated past paper. Bye bye and check link in the description. Don't forget. See you. So here's the link. Full screen of all the questions. You may take a screenshot, save in your laptop, or print it out for practice. This is page number 1, and this is page 2. Next is page 3, page 4. You may pause this video and take a screenshot. Page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, number 11, 13, 14, 15, page 9, number 16, page 10, number 17, 18, page 11, number 19, 20, page 12, number 21, page 13, number 22, 23, page 14, number 24, page 15, number 25, 26. So this is the last question, as this is blank page. Now we're going to see the answer in the answer slot. This is second page, number 1, 2, 3 answer. This is page 3, number 4, 5, 6. This is page This is page 4, number 7. This is page 5, number 8 and 9. This is page 6, number 10. Answer. This is page 7, number 11, 12. Next. This is page 8, number 13, 14, 15. Answer. This is page 9, number 16. Page 10, number 17 and 18. Page 11, number 19 and 20. Page 12, number 21 and page 30, number 22. Page 14, number 24. Page 15, number 25 and 26. That's it for today. If you need the soft copy or PDF of this paper for study, we will be glad to help you. Just write in the comment section in Susan YouTube channel, or then email us. Don't forget to like and share this video, as it will help us to produce more video like this. Bye bye, and we hope today's discussion will be helpful to you, and God bless you.